Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see go directly to sellers for better commissions. Hey guys, download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Now Albee Baby sells home baby-related items such as baby car seats, baby strollers, baby toys, baby clothing, and baby gifts. I would rank it as a great addition to most affiliate portfolios. Think about it. Baby product-related keywords are searched over 6 million times per month. The average sell is $140 and affiliates receive 2% for each sell. By strategically using baby item-related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.